Hi guys, how are you doing? I hope all of you are doing well and keeping safe and keeping happy and just spending time with the people you love. Uh, I know I haven't posted an Alaya AF video in a while, and just with everything going on, it just didn't feel right to be recording and putting out content and all of that. It just felt off and wrong in so many ways. But then you guys have been requesting Alaya AF videos non-stop, and I'm very grateful and thank you for that, because when I started with this, I wasn't sure if you guys were going to like it or if you guys were going to be interested in it at all, because it's just all things to do with me, and I was like, well, will they really care? But then you guys did, and that made me really happy, and you guys have been requesting another Alaya AF video for a while. And so I thought, why not? Let me just record one. And so today's one is going to be very, very simple. It's just going to be me showing you how to do my go-to hairstyle. It's very simple. It's a high, full bun with a lot of volume. So all you're going to need for this are two basic things: a hair tie and a hairbrush. Now, please forgive this very odd hair tie that I'm using. I don't know where all my black rubber bands are, and so I'm using this. This is the only one I have that's the right amount of stretchy. You know what I mean, right? Now, my hair is actually mid-length. This is my completely natural hair, and it's mid-length. It's not, too long or too short, or, this is what it's been for a while. And usually when I go to put this into a bun, it lands up looking like this. I look like an egg. But with the correct little hair move things, your bun can actually look like brush your hair. Flip your hair over. Can you guys even see what I'm doing? Oh my god, look at my hair. What's going on? Brush your hair from the outside, brush the sides, and brush the front. Smoothen it out, make sure it's okay. Just tie it once. Then come up. Oh, I'll come up. You can do this down also, that's totally fine. And now each rubber band has a certain number of times that it goes around, right? Where it's like comfortable. So for my rubber band, that number is 3. So I've already put it around twice, and now the third time I go around, I'm not going to take the hair through completely. So I'm going to take it about this much. Okay? Wait, I know this looks very weird. Just bear with me for a second. So grab the sides and pull. So it gets a bit more voluminous. Then grab this little part of it. Take it and turn it around. Okay, so make sure you get all of it and turn it around the rubber band area. Tuck it into the hair tie. Ooh, sorry. I'm trying to show you guys, so I don't really know what I'm doing. Now tuck it in. And then just open this out.